in IELTS reading gives you a hard time, doesn't it? It might happen if you use the wrong technique while solving this question. In this video, I will solve questions 14 to 18 information matching from Cambridge 15 Academic Reading Test 1. Also, I will share the easiest way to solve this question. So without further delay, let's get started. First, we need to read the question instruction very carefully. Sometimes there is a note saying that you may use any letter more than once. But in today's question, there is no such information. Since there will be no repetition, our work here is a little easy. Let's look at the questions. The trick here is, particularly in this type of question, we will go through all the questions and highlight the keywords. Why? It's because if we keep going back and forth from questions to passages, it will cost us a lot of time. And this is where most of the candidates lose track. Let's highlight the keywords of the questions. Now, we will scan the passage and look for the highlighted keywords or their paraphrases. We will start from paragraph A. But there is no such information that matches the questions. In paragraph B, so we found there are many reasons one frequently cited motive is safety. And in the last, if the vehicle can do the driving, significantly greater travel autonomy. And this information matches question number 15. Several advantages. Individual road users. So here the answer is B. Here we still didn't get the answer to question number 14. And the technique of highlighting all the questions gives benefit here. Now go back to paragraph C. In the second line, we got at present, okay, let's highlight it. At present, the average car spends more than 90% of its life part. This reminds us the keywords when a car is not in use, and that is question number 14. So, the answer is C. Let's read paragraph D. Okay, let's go to the next page. Look at the last line. So here it is written that vehicle production. And in question number 18, we got vehicles manufactured. So this just matches with the information. So the answer is D. Paragraph E. Here in the second line, we found particular journey. Okay, let's highlight it. In question number 16, the keywords were opportunity of choosing the most appropriate vehicle for each trip. So the answer is E. We are almost done. Just question 17 is left. Since we have been instructed to choose one paragraph for one question, once we find out the answer, we do not need to read the rest of the paragraph. Let's go to paragraph F. Okay. So there is no matched information. Paragraph G. Okay, we found next 10 years. Challenges. In the question number 17, they talked about estimate of how long it will take to overcome a number of problems. So the answer is G. That's all for today. Hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next video.